What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Right now I'm going on my boat. Got the gas on my new GoPro. Got the waders on in case I need to get out. But yeah, it's on my new GoPro. Hope it's good. And it should be pretty good. From the videos I took last night with this thing should be good. So, let me get you. Guys, there's a problem. Mud. Boat. Water. Water's like ankle deep. I could still go in my boat. There's my boat. I could still go in it. It's just, it'll be hard to maneuver around at this low of a tide. I think around 3 o'clock is when the tide should be about high enough. It still have 2 hours of rising, but it'd be high enough for me to, like, get my boat in and out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna attempt to go on my boat, but I need to get down in my boat. And see about all this water. I had to put my motor down to be able to got the water draining. I know I have waders on, but I don't want to have to get all muddy and stuff. So I'm just going to try to see about lifting. I dress too much. It's hot. And I only have like 3 jackets on. Because it is like 50 degrees outside. Alright guys. Let me get back to you guys in a second. Guys, I'm in the water actually. Or not the water, in the mud. The boat needs to get moved over. To about here, and I'm gonna come back up here. And lift the boat up. Alright guys, so the water's drained now. And just now throwing the rope in. Now I need to get on down over here. Try to chip on that sinkhole that I know is there. But I'm sure it doesn't want me to know it's there. I need to untie it. But that would mean I'd have to step in here. I'll just be super careful. Okay. I can get up here and untie this. Hope the audio is good on this thing. I don't want to have to be screaming for you guys to be able to hear me. It's actually in its waterproof case on the backing plate of this thing. It came with an extra one. So I just got this one and screwed holes in it. Or drilled holes in it. So the audio could be let in, because the audio with the waterproof case was terrible. This is what my picture's looking like. Boat's on the hill. And I gotta step down in here. To be able to... These waders make everything super easy. She's floating. Had to pull it out of that. Woo! That was what, ladies and gents, I call hard. But I'm pretty sure most of my audience is a boy. Because, you know, I'm a boy and I do boy stuff. Just gonna tie this thing in a quick knot. I gotta get back up on the dock to grab my life jacket and the gas. Just bring it up to this kayak platform. Dead ducks. There's some over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's about 8 dead ducks over there. Boy. Guys, I'm stuck. It's literally like 3 inches of water. And the mud's too soft for me to get out and do anything. So I'm just going to have to sit here for about an hour. Let the water go all the way out. Let it ebb for half an hour. So more like 2 hours. And then the water, some water come back up in here so I can like drive me out. But until then, I'm just going to be sitting here. Guys, I'm stuck. It's literally like 3 inches of water. And the mud's too soft for me to get out and do anything. So I'm just going to have to sit here for about an hour. Let the water go all the way out. Let it ebb for half an hour. So more like 2 hours. And then the water, some water come back up in here so I can like drive me out. But until then, I'm just gonna be sitting here. Alright guys, so I made it from where I was. I'm just now passing from the bridge, coming up. But I made it. 2 hours later, I'm just now leaving from that spot. My motor broke down, the little pin thing right here was broken, and it wouldn't shift into forward. It would go in reverse, but it wouldn't shift into forward. So I had to get out and walk in like waist deep water in my waders to go get a stick to stick it in there so I could shift it into forward and get moving. But I'm okay now. I made it back. My house is just right up the creek right here. So I'm going to switch to my big camera as soon as I get home. Alright guys, I just pulled up to my house. This is my dock. I need to tie up and then head back up and see if my mom wants to take me to get some lunch, because I'm freaking hungry. I've been on the water for like 3 hours. I don't know if it got any of that recording, but I've been on the water for 2 hours. Just got home. Just pulled up, and I'm hungry. I'm cranky. I just want to vlog and be a schoolboy, because I'm tired. I'm not even going to worry about putting the boat back up on the mud and stuff. I'm just going to stay here.